Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle dosa full guide. Start by rinsing and soaking the rice and urad dal together, then drain well and grind to a smooth but slightly grainy batter with minimal water. Add salt and ferment the batter in a warm spot until it bubbles and doubles. Gently fold the batter, adjust consistency with water, and keep it ready for shaping and cooking on a hot pan. In this video, I will explain how to make circle dosa full guide. Heat your pan to medium-high and test with a drop of batter that should sizzle instantly. Pour batter in the center and use a steady circular wrist motion to create a thin spiral outward, maintaining one continuous motion for even thickness. Drizzle a little oil around the edges and cook until the base is golden and crisp, then flip briefly if desired for extra color. In this video, I will explain how to make circle dosa full guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy relaxing with a recipe while something ferments, check out the Kindle Paperwhite we use to read cook notes. It's great for kitchen breaks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, and look in the description for that link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make circle dosa full guide. If your batter seems thick, add water a tablespoon at a time until it pours smoothly yet holds form. Over-fermentation can make the dosa sour, so keep timing appropriate and store in the fridge if needed. For sticking issues, ensure the pan is hot and well seasoned, and use a little more oil when pouring the spiral to help release the dosa cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.